Welcome to 391 Aldergate Drive. This spacious 6-bedroom, 4.5-bath home with a 2-car garage, as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring and a bonus room inside. It's located in the Bluefield subdivision in the White Knoll area of Lexington. It's convenient to I-20, Lake Murray, Downtown Lexington amenities, as well as a quick commute to Columbia as well. So we're out front. You can see you have an attractive home. From the front, you have a carriage-style garage door, some brick accent along the covered front porch or covered front entry area, and some vertical siding on the outside here. I believe that's a magnolia tree in the front yard as well. So we'll go ahead and take a look inside. Starting in the foyer, you have luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that continues throughout the main area of the home. I do want to mention the power is off currently in here, so we may struggle a little bit for lighting, so bear with us, but we have some natural light coming in, so we should be pretty good. So off of the entry, you can see that's going back towards the door and the foyer there. So off the entry, you do have a downstairs primary suite. So there's actually 2 primary bedroom suites in the home that have attached bathrooms. So you can see this is a nice size room, but it is downstairs, perfect for downstairs guest bath or as guest suite. You do have the double sinks in here with what I believe are quartz countertops. You have a nice walk-in shower, as well as a linen closet. And if you can see in there, we have a coat closet as well. Excuse me, a walk-in closet, not a coat closet, and the commode tucked behind the door there. So nice guest space or just additional bedroom on the main level, just nice. Then we have a coat closet here, a lighted coat closet off the end of the foyer. You can see the nice wood on the banisters going up the stairs. But you go from the foyer into the main living area, which is open floor plan. You have the family room here to the right with a gas log fireplace and ceiling fan. You have some nice windows in here, even on the end, flanking the fireplace that let in some natural light. And then opens to a large eat-in dining area or dining area sort of in the center. More windows, and then you have the kitchen with the island counter bar and some pendant lighting. Granite countertops, white shaker style cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. So you have a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range, and above range microwave, and then a dishwasher on the end of the island to the left of the sink there. Nice large sink as well. And then you have a door here paired with a second door, just sort of a faux French door, but only one opens. But you have a nice extended, sort of extra large patio out back, nice level backyard, as you can see there. So it's nice and open. The neighborhood, as of the time of the video, there is still some construction going on, as you may have seen back there. So that back view will change, just to give you another view from the kitchen towards the living space. And then off of the kitchen, you have a pantry. It's a nice walk-in pantry, great extra storage in there, as well as, hopefully you can see the half bathroom. And then of course your access to the 2-car garage is here. So you can see I have a medium or small SUV parked in there right now for scale. And you can see there's also a water shut off, your sprinkler controls, all that stuff in there also. So go ahead and head upstairs. So we have an additional 5 bedrooms, including the true primary suite upstairs, and also a bonus room, which we'll show you, which looks a lot like a bedroom, but is not due to the lack of a closet. So we'll see if we can find our master. Lots of rooms up here. All right, so the primary suite here is, you can see, quite large. You can accommodate king size furniture very easily. You have a ceiling fan, nice tray ceiling as well. And you can see the double doors leading into the bathroom, which has really nice ceramic tile flooring. So you have double sinks on this side, a double sink vanity with I believe quartz countertops, nice soaking tub with the window, frosted glass window, and the separate shower. On this side, you have a linen closet and your private water closet with a commode, nice door for privacy that closes that off. And then at the back end, really nice size walk-in closet space there. There may even be, just a little bit that continues back behind the door. So great closet space. And you can see that bathroom from the other angle as well. And then we'll just cycle around and take a look at the rest of the rooms. So we have an upstairs laundry room. Great because all the bedrooms are up here. So luxury vinyl plank flooring in there, as well as the cabinets built in. Really nice sized laundry room for side-by-side machines. And this is the room that is not a true bedroom. As you can see, it's because it does not have a closet, but it is a really nice sized room. Could perfectly be used as a bedroom if you don't need the closet space, which will give you a total of 7 in the home, which is pretty unheard of. So linen closet there, as you saw. And then this is one of the additional true bedrooms. As you can see, the closet there. And it does have sort of a Jack and Jill bathroom or pass-through bathroom setup where you can see the double vanity in the bathroom and your shower and tub and commode in a separate room, which allows 2 people to get ready sort of simultaneously in there. And then connects to this other room, which also has a walk-in closet, albeit a smaller one here. And then we continue around. This may be a little hard to see, but another full bathroom here with a single sink. And then you have this area where you can slide a chair or stool beneath. And then you can see same setup as in the other bathroom where you have the shower and tub and commode in the back corner in a separate room. And that was our 4th full bathroom in the home. Another bedroom here, and this is the, I believe, 5th out of the 6. See, small walk-in closet. And then last but not least, bedroom number 6. So we appreciate you bearing with us. I didn't want to actually show you just the layout and the size of all of those. So that pretty much completes our tour of this home in Lexington 391 Aldergate Drive. 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths with a bonus room. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.